I'm going to be unboxing the Pixar Fest Doorables. I got these on Amazon. I pre-ordered them and I think I got them like a week ago, and I wanted to unbox them with you guys on here. I'm so excited. Last time I did the Haunted Mansion Doorables and I did not get the bonus figure, and in this one you could get one, so I hope that I do this time, but let's see. I was reading the reviews and I saw that some people did get the bonus one, which was Madame Leota, and I didn't get it, and it's going for an arm and a leg on eBay and Mercari, so I was like, that's okay, never mind. I'm not going to pay like over $50 for like a little Doorable. That's just not worth it in my opinion. But in this one you could get Eve, Wally, Jack, Young Carl, Young Ellie, Remy, Boo, and Miguel, and the bonus one. So let's open this on up and see what's inside. So, my fan is just blowing my hair all over. Okay. I do love Remy, but my younger sister, well, Sabrina, she loves Ratatouille, so I'm going to be giving her that one. So, isn't he so cute? Okay. How do you open this? Where do you start? Okay. Why isn't that? Ugh. Wow. Buzz is the bonus one. Okay. Wow. Look. I don't know if we'll get him. Hopefully we do. Did I count wrong? Maybe. But this is what it looks like. And let's open this one. I always contemplate on how to open this with you guys, if I want to just like show the camera and like this alone, or if I want to be in it. And then I'm like, I think it's fun so you guys can see my reactions. Oh, it's Miguel! I want to get a display for all of my Doorables, so I had to work on that. So we'll just set him on this little table right here. And then this one. Okay. Open that. It's Eve. Aww. So that's so cute. That's adorable. Shauna Weasley over on Instagram, she sent me a few Doorables a while back and I got addicted to them. I couldn't help it. I mean, they are adorable, hence the name. I mean, so I was like, yeah, I can't resist. Collector's problems, you know? I feel like everything that's just cute catches my eye and I just can't help it. His eyes are sparkly, Wally, but I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? Look at that. These are so detailed and cute. I paid $16.99 for this pack, and that's how much the Haunted Mansion ones were as well. What is it going out of focus for? Okay. And then it's Jack. Oh, this is adorable. So cute. Look at that. Wow. Can you see that? Look at that. That's really cute. What am I doing? He's supposed to go with the others on the table. And now we're going to open, I think I know what's behind these doors. Is it Remy? Is it? It looks like kitchen doors, but I could be wrong. Let's see. It is! Oh my god. Look at this cutie. My sister is going to freak out. Oh my god. Look at that. We are aiming to get the Remy making Ratatouille Funko, and I want one and so does she. Hopefully it's going to let you check out and buy two, and I have to get up early because I don't even know what time it's releasing, and I want to make sure that we snag that Funko Pop because Up is really popular. And I remember when they were releasing Carl and Ellie with the mailbox, I drove to the mall that's like a half an hour to 45 minutes away, waited in traffic forever, and when I got there, I got in the line, and we're waiting and waiting and waiting, and when we finally get up there at box lunch, they're like, oh, the shipment didn't come in. I was like, are you kidding me? It's supposed to come out today. And I know, like, sometimes these stores, I mean, I don't know who doesn't have it together or if it's just late. I don't know what the case is, but like they didn't get it in. So I was like, are you kidding me? So I had to find, and then I wasn't getting reception. It's hard to get reception in that mall. So I had to sit at this one bench, and I probably looked crazy. And all of the stores, all of the pops that I wanted, none of them got any of them in. So it was a waste of time to even get up that early, wait in that traffic, and go to that mall in the first place. Because that's the only mall that has a box lunch. None of the malls closer to me has one. So I had to sit there, and I was waiting and waiting. Then it went live, and then I like snagged Carl and Ellie, and it took a while, so my heart was about to drop because I was like, I thought I missed it. But thank God I got the order confirmation, so I was like, thank God. So with the Remy, I know I'm dramatic, but like Funkos are a big deal for me in my collection. So I was like, tomorrow on the 18th, I better get this Funko Pop for my sister and I, because I will cry. He's adorable. And look at baby Carl. I missed out on the Funkos with Carl and Ellie as kids because at the time I only stuck to Harry Potter because I knew I do love Disney. I've always loved Disney. Like ever since I was little, my parents bought me like merch for every movie, and I had some Harry Potter stuff as well. And as I got older, I mean, I just see more and more merch, and it's of all the things that I like. I'm just staring at my merch. So I missed out on Carl and Ellie because I tried to stick to just Potter because I knew I'd run out of space. And I was like, Disney is like a wide variety. And I love so many Disney films. So I was like, I don't think I want to do that. But I did. I don't regret it though. But yeah, space is a problem. But that's okay because we love collecting, don't we? So, I mean, I don't regret it. Everything is just so cute. So yeah, I mean, long story short, if I ever come across baby Carl and Ellie as Funkos, I'm gonna try to snag it, but hopefully I find them for a good price. And here's baby Ellie. Isn't she adorable? So cute. And it's funny because I just, I went to Target the other day, and they had one box of the Series 7 Doorables. So I was like, I'm gonna try my luck. I picked it up. I ended up getting Naveen as a frog. I got Doug, and I got Disgust. And I was like, are you kidding me? I was so happy with that, especially how Doug is rare. And then ironically, I get baby Carl and Ellie in this pack. So I was like, I'm gonna put them together. So excited. Obviously, it looks like Sam did not get the bonus one. Okay. Or did I? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I got excited there, I didn't. But I did get Boo. She's in here anyway. I have another set of Doorables that I have on pre-order from Amazon. And it has like Lotso beer. You know what? I'm going to check right now and I will tell you what it has inside. That is it for this box, by the way. Obviously, I did not get the bonus one. That's okay though. Let's see what this one has. Okay. Let's see. Your orders. Let's see. I have so many orders. I like so many pre-orders. I pre-order that Stitch on the surfboard. I mean, I really want that. So the next one, the next pack of Doorables that I have on pre-order is doesn't really say, just says Series 8. It has Rapunzel in a white dress, I think brushing her hair, Wreck-It Ralph, Lotso, the caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland, I think Baby Moana, or you can get like Vanellope, Baby Tiana with a spoon, Lady, Mike, Maymay as a panda. So I'm pretty excited to open that. I don't even know how many comes. 8 figures come in that one. So I cannot wait to unbox that with you guys when it gets here. But it doesn't release until September. Unless it comes out earlier, fingers crossed, because I just love Doorables. So that is it for today's unboxing, my loves. Let me know what your favorite Doorable was down below. And do you guys even collect these, or do you have a few of them? Let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads from me. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.